Hi everyone, Martin here. I'm an independent Stampin Up Demonstrator from Redditch, Birmingham, the UK. So today's card is this cute little happy birthday, which is very quick and simple to do, and it's using the Lift Me Up stamp set, which you can see here. We're using a little basket and this little cloud, which I think makes a perfect little cupcake. So let's move everything out of the way. So I'm starting with a base of Whisper White, which measures 14.8 by 21 and folded at 10.5. There you go. So what I've done already to save time is I've cut a mat measuring 10.1 centimetres by 14.4, and I've run that through the big shot with the sequin embossing folder, as you can see. So, as I've already done that, I'm just going to quickly glue that down with some snail adhesive. And just line it up. Just right so that's not straight. Like so. So now that's the base done, I'm going to move this out the way again, and I'm going to move the exam part of the way, and I'm going to bring in the stamp apparatus. So as you can see, I've already lined mine up. I've got a scrap piece of Whisper White here, and I've got the strip of Whisper White where my sentiment's going to sit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly ink these up so that I can stamp it all in one go. So let me bring it in. So I'm using Blushing Bride for the top of the cupcake, so just get that all inked up. I'm using Crumb Cake for the base. Get that inked. And I'm going to use Stays On for the sentiment. So with the sentiment, as you can see, it's more than just a happy birthday, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this off and ink it up separately. Get that nice and inked up. So because the sentiment is more than just a happy birthday, and all I want is a happy birthday, I'm just going to grab some masking tape, if I can undo it. You can see my struggle. Like so. And I'm just going to cover the rest of the sentiment so that none of it's peeking out and it doesn't affect the rest of it. And then just going to quickly huff on them too and stamp it down. Like so. How easy was that? And if I didn't have a good impression, I could quite easily just stamp it down again and it'll be in the exact same spot. So now that's done, move them out the way. So with this stamp set you do get the coordinating dies, so you can use them to cut out the little cupcakes, like so. But to save time I have already done that. And I've made 2 up already, so you can see, like so. But I've got another one here unmade, with a little candle. The candle itself is using this stamp, which is also in the set, here, which I think is supposed to be for strings. I'm not 100% sure, but that's how I see it anyway. And what I've done is I've just stamped some extra ones down, and I'm going to bring in my Mango Melody. Just pinch it in the middle. Maybe it's not Mango Melody, I think it's Daffodil Delight. Yeah, so Daffodil Delight, push it down like so, and bring in your aqua painter and just grab some ink. So as you can see, there's naturally a fine tip, so all I'm going to do is just press gently down like so, and it creates a little flame. Perfect. And then just cut them out, only roughly, it doesn't need to be perfect. And then let's do this all together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the dimensional just on the back, like so. And then I'm just going to put this facing the other way, just on the tip. And then I'm going to make the icing by just using the rest of the dimensional, like so. Make sure it's straight. And there you have all three. So with the sentiment, all I did was fishtail the ends. So I'm going to chop it down slightly, like so. Go from the middle in, from the middle in, and then go corner to middle, corner to middle, and the same again this side. So corner to middle, corner to middle. Clear the rubbish out of it. And there you have the sentiment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop that up onto dimensionals. Just two like so. And roughly get this into the middle of the bottom of the card. Like so. As you can see, it's there. And then just take the backs of these off, put the middle one in place, and then go either side of that. Like so. There you go. So it's super quick and easy. This one I did bring in some of the sequins which Stampin' Up does. There's a hair on it. Do apologise. And I've just put 3 on in over 3 of the big ones. Don't necessarily need it, however I'm going to do it again in 3 random spots. And we'll go, it's a bit too close, it's a bit close. Go there. I don't think that's picked it off. Like so. And there you have it. I hope you liked today's cards. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. All my contact information and my social media are down below. As well as that, all the a list of all the items used in today's card. Please feel free to contact me. I'll be happy to help with any inquiries. I'll see you later. Bye.